Hi everyone, this is the first class of Java programming. In this video I am going to start with the basics, and in the later videos I will teach you some simple Java programs. Okay, so we can start with the structure of a Java program. Before that, what is a program or why we are writing programs? Actually, this is simple. If we want to do something with the computer and we are telling the computer to do these operations or do these things, right? But computer don't know our language, so we are writing programs to instruct the computer to do these things. Okay, so for that purpose only we are writing programs. So this is the structure of a Java program. We are writing everything inside a class only. This is an example of a class. Means class, then class name, and starting with a curly braces and ending with a curly braces. And we are writing whole logic inside these two braces. This is the whole logic. Okay. So what all things we can write inside this class? One thing is variable. We can write any number of variables inside the class. Here I have written two variables, variable 1 and variable 2. Another important thing is a function. Means function name, opening bracket, closing bracket, then opening braces and closing braces. This is the basic structure of a function. And inside this function, we are writing whole logic. Means if we want to add two numbers, we have to write whole logic inside this function only. Okay, so this is the basic structure. Also, I told you this is a class, and what is a class and what is an object? Actually, class is a collection of objects and object is an instance of a class. And what is a collection of object? Means if we consider the animal kingdom, the whole animal kingdom is we can say that is an class, and each and every element like the elephant and zebra, these are all objects. Means whole animal kingdom is a class, and elephant, zebra, like single animals are object of that whole class. Okay, object of a class. Now come to another example of a class. Class calculation. Class name, then opening curly braces and ending closing braces. Inside these two brackets we have to write whole logic. Okay, and one more keyword here, public. Public means this whole class is accessible anywhere from the program. So public is the accessibility of this class. Then inside this class there are two variables x and y. X is an integer, y is also an integer. Then a function name is sum, and I am passing two variables into the function x and y. X is an integer, y is also an integer, and opening curly braces and ending closing braces. Inside these two braces we have to write whole logic of this function. This is the structure of a function. Okay, this function is to add two numbers, so I am writing logic inside this only, and it returns some value. Adding two numbers and return that value, means x and y are adding and that value is returned, and x and y both are integers, so the sum is also an integer that is given here. Okay, integer means this function name is sum, and it is doing some operation and it is return some value, and that value data type is an integer. That is what meant here. Okay, so this is the structure of a function, and this is the whole structure of a class. Inside this class we have mainly two elements, two variables and a function. So this is the whole logic. So this much in this video, and in the coming videos I will teach you how to write simple Java programs. Okay, thank you, thanks for watching.